Welcome back to Bike Lane, where we ride through the roads of innovation and nostalgia. Today, we're revving up for the return of an icon, the 2025 Chevy Bel Air. A name that once defined American style in the golden age of cruising is back, but this time, it's re-engineered for the future. With a blend of retro flair and next-gen tech, the new Bel Air aims to turn heads on highways and in hearts. But is this revival just a nod to history, or does it carve out a space of its own in the crowded 2025 market? Let's dive into everything the Bel Air brings to the blacktop. Design, retro meets refined. From the first glance, the 2025 Bel Air is unmistakably rooted in its 1950s heritage. Chevy has smartly echoed the sweeping lines, chrome accents, and two-tone paint schemes that made the original a cultural icon. But don't be fooled, beneath the nostalgic shell lies a modernized body with aerodynamic tuning, LED lighting systems, and lightweight aluminum construction. The front grille pays homage to the '57 classic, but it's been updated with active airflow shutters for improved efficiency. The Bel Air's low-slung profile and coupe-inspired silhouette offer an elegant twist that feels fresh yet familiar. Performance, modern muscle under the hood. Powering the 2025 Bel Air is a choice of two drivetrains, a turbocharged 2.7L inline-4 for efficiency and a punchy new 3.6L V6 that cranks out over 340 horsepower. Both are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, responsive shifts whether you're cruising or cornering. For the first time, Chevy introduces an all-electric Bel Air trim, featuring dual motors and an estimated 320-mile range on a single charge. Acceleration clocks in under 5 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour, giving the Bel Air more than enough bite to match its bark. With magnetic ride control and rear-wheel drive standard, performance purists won't be disappointed. Interior, vintage vibes, cutting-edge comfort. Inside, the Bel Air continues its retro-modern theme. A sweeping dash design features soft-touch materials and subtle nods to the past, including round air vents, brushed metal knobs, and optional houndstooth seat inserts. A 12.3-inch digital cluster and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen anchor the cabin in the present, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's new AI voice assistant. Wireless charging, 5G hotspot capability, and an optional Bose premium sound system make the Bel Air as connected as any modern luxury sedan. Chevy Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance is available on higher trims, blending safety with futuristic convenience. Tech and safety, smarts beneath the style. Tech is where the new Bel Air shines brightest. Standard on all models are forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. The EV trim benefits from an advanced battery management system with heat regulation and fast charging that delivers 80% in under 25 minutes. Over-the-air updates ensure the Bel Air evolves over time, while the onboard Chevy Smart Drive app lets owners monitor range, vehicle status, and location in real time. For families or first-time drivers, Teen Driver Mode offers customizable speed and volume limits, as well as post-drive report cards. Trims and pricing, something for every style. Chevy offers the 2025 Bel Air in 4 main trims: Classic, Sport, RS, and E-Legend, the all-electric version. The entry-level Classic starts at just under $34,000 and includes cloth seating, the standard Turbo 4 engine, and a nostalgic look that's hard to beat at the price. Step up to the Sport trim for larger wheels, sport-tuned suspension, and optional two-tone leather interiors. The RS trim adds performance upgrades, aggressive styling cues, and exclusive color options. Finally, the E-Legend tops the line at $48,500, offering the electric powertrain, unique badging, and all the tech features Chevy has packed in. The verdict, more than a memory. The 2025 Chevy Bel Air isn't just a retro cash grab, it's a well-rounded, thoughtfully executed revival that honors its roots while charging into the future. Whether you're chasing nostalgia or shopping for a unique, tech-savvy cruiser, the Bel Air has something to offer. It competes in a space that straddles muscle cars, EVs, and daily drivers, and somehow, it works. In an age of generic crossovers and uninspired sedans, the Bel Air's return is a bold statement. American style never really went out of fashion, it just needed the right engine to bring it back. Outro, ride on, dream big. That's a wrap for today's Ride on Bike Lane. The 2025 Chevy Bel Air proves that classics can be reborn without losing their soul. Whether you're a longtime Chevy fan or just love a good comeback story, this one's worth watching. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the new Bel Air, or is this blast from the past better left in the review? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more two-lane tales and four-wheeled legends, right here on Bike Lane.